Hi everyone, glad you're here. You know how wood carving should feel relaxing, but sometimes it just doesn't? Maybe your knife isn't slicing clean, your hands start aching, or the project just doesn't come out the way you pictured it. Well, today we're fixing that. We're going through 7 things you absolutely need to actually enjoy wood carving, not just survive it. These are the little things that make a big difference, especially number 3, which will save your fingers. Wood carving isn't just about cutting wood, it's about feeling good while doing it. If you're missing the right setup, carving can turn frustrating fast. Dull tools, sore hands, rough wood, or splinters that make you question your life choices. But with a comfy workspace and the right gear, even simple, affordable stuff, you'll see how relaxing, meditative, and rewarding carving really is. Let's start with the obvious, your carving knife. It has to be sharp. If it's not sharp, carving becomes hard, dangerous, and, honestly, no fun at all. A sharp knife slices wood fibers cleanly, gives you control, and makes those satisfying, smooth cuts. You don't need an expensive knife to start, just a sharp one that fits comfortably in your hand. For beginners, a small to medium whittling knife is perfect. Look for one with a strong pointed tip for detail work, a slightly curved edge for smooth slicing, and a handle that feels solid but comfortable. Next up, your wood. If you're brand new at this, you'll need the right one. You want something soft, easy to cut, and forgiving. For beginners, that means basswood or something similar, like aspen or butternut. They're clean, predictable, and easy on your tools. No crazy grain, no fighting the wood. Basswood's basically the training wheels of carving, but even pro carvers love it for small projects. Harder woods like walnut or cherry can wait until you've got more experience. Okay, this one's something you'll thank yourself for later. It might look like a small thing, but it'll save your fingers. Protective tape. Some people know it as cut-resistant or safety tape. Whatever you call it, it all does the same job, keeping your hands safe while you carve. Wrap your thumb and fingers where the knife might slip. It gives you a better grip, reduces cuts, and protects you from those little nicks that can ruin your day. Number 4, a leather strop kit. Remember number 1? A sharp knife is key to good carving, and this is how you keep it that way. Even the best one gets dull after a while. Stropping keeps your edge polished and ready without constant sharpening. Use a bit of green compound on the leather strop and pull your knife away from the edge. A few strokes during and after each session keeps it sharp and performing like new. Number 5, sandpaper. Sometimes your carving ends up a bit rough. Tool marks, fuzzy fibers, little imperfections. No worries. A few grits of sandpaper, 150, 220, maybe 400, will take care of it. Just sand lightly and evenly to smooth your piece and give it that clean, finished look. But don't overdo it. You still want your carving to keep that handcrafted charm. Number 6, a carving pattern. Having a plan or design saves a ton of guesswork and makes carving easier and more fun. It helps you visualize where to cut and keeps you from accidentally taking off too much wood. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Start with easy shapes, like animals, mushrooms, or faces, and build from there. Once you learn to follow lines and understand depth, you'll get way more confident designing your own projects. You can find tons of printable patterns online. At Beavercraft, we offer a massive free collection, over 150 designs and counting. If you'd like to get them, just drop a comment below and we'll send you all the details on how to download your free carving patterns. And finally, number 7, last but definitely not least, finishing. A good finish protects your carving and lets the wood's natural beauty glow. Natural options like beeswax or linseed oil enhance the grain, deepen the color, and give your carving that soft, silky feel. Just rub it in, let it soak, and gently buff. Simple, satisfying, and beautiful. So there you have it. 7 simple things that'll turn wood carving into pure joy. With the right knife, soft wood, a bit of protection, and the right finish, carving becomes more than just a hobby. It's a way to slow down, relax, and create something beautiful. If you're ready to start carving, grab your essentials and check out the Beavercraft store for all the tools you'll ever need. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss more carving tips, tool guides, and project ideas every week.